Man, I am so neutral. What should I do? I know. I am going to put my mom's phone into the microwave. Ha 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 ha. I am going to the bedroom. When classic Caillou got to the bedroom. Alright, now that I'm in the bedroom, I am going to steal it. Yes! Bingo! I found my mom's home. I'm going to steal it. Yes, I found my mom's phone. I'm going to the kitchen. When classic Caillou got to the kitchen. Alright, now that I'm in the kitchen, I am going to put my mom's phone into the microwave. Yes, I put my mom's phone into the microwave. Yes, I put my mom's phone into the microwave. Now I will be going to. Oh no! What have I done? I blew up the microwave, and I burned the kitchen up. I am so busted big time. Meanwhile. Rosie, do you smell something burning?
I don't know. It's in the bedroom. I think it's probably coming from the kitchen. Why do I see something burning? I don't know. I think it's probably coming from the kitchen.
Yes, I do. Where is it coming from? Wait a minute, I bet that smell is coming from the kitchen.
What the? Get out! Beep. Bronchi. Oh my god! We need to get the kitchen before it's too late. Hey Doris, do you smell something suspicious? When Boris and Doris went to the kitchen. What the? The kitchen, it is on fire. We heard an explosion coming from our kitchen.
And second off, where is my phone?
Well, you are going to be so furious when I tell you, but I put your phone into the microwave, and the microwave blew up, and the explosion burned up the kitchen. Oh, classic Caillou, how dare you put your mom phone in the microwave? That's it. You are grounded for 3 years. Go to your room right now. Anyways, Washington. Hey.